Okay, I'm doing walk forward, walk around with this truck here that I filmed about like a couple of months ago. We got it with the sewer cleaned, and I filmed it so around like April, March, April, in reference to this truck here, the vacuum excavating truck. This is designed for withVacAll, and it's managed by Autocar WX64 cab over trucks. This is I'm putting this for YouTube, folks, so just don't you worry. And this is a withVacAll body that we sure that this is, and right here there's a hose that it's been produced years and years from now, but it's operational. Let me tell you, yep, it's got hose for vacuuming, the other one's for hosing down with water, jetting the water down, and this has two sided tanks here, and on the other side has like hose. It's produced by NatWaMain Cleaning from Newark, New Jersey. It's brought to you by in New York, the Bronx, and all 5 boroughs, as I had to admit. Alright, so that's all I had to say is walk over that truck. I mean, they have like this side here has some power plant. Now, this doesn't even have no dropout whatsoever on me, because this is an old, like 1990 in late 90s truck. You know, that's what it is for. So, and that end, well, he had a hose connected to that tank is for like dumping in, liquidating into the manhole, whatever gets filled. You know. Basically, that's basically it for now. I'll do for more next time. Ciao.